Good afternoon. I am Satya Mekala from Belgium. I was one of the first customers of PortaOne, and I probably the first installation in Belgium. And with that system, I became the biggest VoIP provider of Belgium. I had 8 websites local in each country, right from Spain to Finland, running the system. Now what we are doing is completely different. I am partnering with PortaOne with my company WTL, where we sell pure core systems for MVNOs to supply the BSS system as a complete solution for Nigerian market and probably for the West African market. So this is what we want to do. I had several calls with Roman and Andrew. So I have a connection with PortaOne for a long time and a good story to tell.